Hello, my name is Haley Burken, and I did an internship this summer with Bur Oak Land Trust. The purpose of this internship was to enhance the area of land that is located in or around Iowa City. We did this by cutting invasive species with chainsaws or brush saws, and then treating them with herbicide. We also worked to build habitats for ornate box turtles by clearing areas of land to better fit their needs. I also worked to beautify one of our properties by painting a mural. All of these things relate to public health, since members of the public that go to our properties could have a lower BMI due to exercise, have better lung capacity due to plants giving off clean air, and also appreciate our planet Earth more. This internship has helped shape my career goals by showing me that I would not like to be in the field for 40 to 50 hours a week. I now know that I would like to find a job that allows me to be in the field 10 to 30 hours a week. I also learned that I did enjoy physical labor. However, I learned that I would like to pair physical labor with testing, collection, and human engagement as well. This internship has allowed me to learn and identify native and non-native plants in Iowa. Using this, I am able to talk to other environmentalists and make connections with professors, researchers, and other people with my new knowledge. I also learned how to operate field equipment that I had not done in the past. I will now be able to tell employers that I am trained and experienced in handling field machinery such as chainsaws and brush saws. In the future, I do plan to work with Bur Oak, and I plan to volunteer with them a few times per month. This internship has allowed me to make amazing connections with great people in the community. This internship has actually led me to more research projects in the future. Working with Bur Oak Land Trust has allowed me to also pair with Americorps corporations, which is known around the nation. Making these connections with Americorps members that work at Bur Oak and also Americorps members around Iowa has shown me what amazing work both of these companies can do. This internship has been my first opportunity for doing something in the career that I would like to pursue in the future. Having this first experience has shown me things that I enjoy and don't enjoy, and has allowed me to talk to new people that also have the same interests as I do. I would like to thank all of my supervisors, including Carter Johnson and Jason Taylor, and also several of the crew members, including Elena Wolf, who allowed me to help her with her mural. I would also like to thank Bur Oak for hiring me and for any work that I will do with them in the future.